Ayo! Awe! Except wait. Season enye mnanam. Kavu. Yela, sibuyile ngo-episode 2.
Episode 2.
Second audition of this shit. We cooking.
Siyakhuphuka levels.
You know, King Willie React.
Yes.
Hey. Hey, bro. Episode 1 is elevating, you know.
Yela.
In the streets, you know.
Love.
People showing things, you know.
Siyan appreciate man.
Firstly, man, before siye kuba sizoba appreciate and stuff like kukho something sayimisisha iqala first episode abantu they are complaining about yona so kwenza yona at let us introduce ourselves. Let me start, man.
Okay, sure.
Ipiyar the Xhosa Gyani, aka uXhosa Gyani, aka
uTabibza.
Man.
I think that is introducing the man. Ndila Gyani Pholile.
Like Gyani yabantu.
Pholile.
Yabo. Man, you know. Episode 1. Man, I know today is success, but today is starter.
Okay.
Like we came there. Lot of comments from Abandu, lot of love, lot of shares. Man, lot of replies, you know, feedbacks, you know. Like this was funda some of them. And you know, answers funda and stronger tailor. That's Bamba, you know. Shout out to Abandu abasnike feedback. Niyasi khuthaza, motivator, like to do more and stuff, you know. Yeah, man. Otherwise, this is episode 2. More episode to come.
Yes.
More bangers to come.
Yes. We just came. Yeah, man.
London.
And also la way inasika. Sikarela i-sponsors masisibambe apha sisifowunele
Nqadeli
ufuna ni-mention abantu elibaziyo
you know
sponsorish
like masithi mntanami yebo kulo part singanqami ngoba siye kudeep ne like anyone unomdla woshuta one-cam and stuff sibambi ahuke up nathi one-contacts zabantu abasezweni asibambe hook up nathi like let's build a team. Let's make the way improve it. You know, man, otherwise we're bringing something new, man. A lot of people bayayibona londo on, a lot of people bayayithanda lo, you know. Man, awesome. You know, inendiqapheleyo wena mrirana lot of comments, lot of compliments ziphuma from our artist la way. Office inikas they appreciate the way senzayo. Shout out to artist
ibalekile la way ingase yabona xa senza into mntanami sibe into enye yabo sizokwazi sikhuphuke sonke
you know sizopopa sonke
wesizamuyenza le
otherwise this is episode 2 guys then our next episode sizawuzana something or something
surprise
between something
khona nje into ezayo bangayinantsika
influencers, artists, event organizers, modelers, warm up, we're coming for you. That babes are when Nana's here, I kept.
Event organizers.
Baba.
Sizazibuza imibuzo apha. Uyabo? Siyazifuna ne-artist.
Man, speaking of the artist, you know.
The artist.
Last month. I will say last month or Kulendo's hey bro, he hit quick beef.
That'd be fun. Is
lot of drops he has born, lot of things. Hey man.
Come on now, baby.
Hey man. Okay, there. I was scrolling around Khathi Chanel inkosi.
Chini. Uthini.
Yasazi inkosi yamaXhosa.
Hey. Okay.
Do you know inkosi yamaXhosa?
Yeah. Ngora.
The whole aura, bro.
Ngora.
Bro, did you see Vito?
Yeah.
Hey, Baba. We don't play it on.
Okay.
Responses.
Okay.
Yaphendula inkosi yamaXhosa, yaphendula iChanel inkosi.
Sure.
Bro, it was a hit. Hit up. Akuphelela ngapho, bro. Yazi lolo sinenkosi manje eqonto.
Sinintsi enkosi.
You know, like I also saw from Edimbaza. Yazi iqonga inkulu, bro. You know.
Inkulu iqonga,
bro.
Khona iartist
You know,
Edimbaza.
I don't know ndilende njani Edimbaza, but there ndinagilana inkosi uYinsa.
Okay.
Yeah, bro.
Yinsa?
Yeah, bro.
Chini.
Yeah, bro. Versus uChizi. Yeah.
Happy fun, Bob. Bob, irayithi nantsika la wena. Irayithi hip hop ngebeef. Ngiyabo?
Yeah.
Irayithi hip hop ngebeef la because intoni? Inika la kuthiwa intoni? Ityiwa, kuthiwa intoni? Mandicacise kahle.
Yeah.
Kubone xa inyama ingenatyiwa. Then ke ngoku ibeef. Ibeef.
Yeah.
Ityiwa.
Side.
Iyavakala umzekelo.
Joe, look. Uthi ibeef engenazispice. It's not eat.
Hip hop engenabeef.
Kaloku
Kufana nenyama engenatyiwa.
Yeah, yabona ko.
Yeah.
Valid.
Yeah.
Valid. Otherwise, inikazi banging hard. Ela ziyathukana izichepo.
Chini.
Ziyathukana
Like nina ivideo yayo apha.
uYinsa or iChanel inkosi.
Ndino-Chanel ingathi bethetha ngoNantsika yena. Bethetha ngo.
Ubonisa.
Ndino-Nantsika ndino-Chanel
Reply. Kakayifaka bro.
Kwinkora.
Hey bro. Kirapha.
Ngithi vuka nyelwa zinkosi amaXhosa.
You.
Wanyiwa kom. Angikubela le bus baxa ngenini kuyofanini ngomgqibelo yo awukhonyiwe jo. Alien imsuka.
Ngathi alien ngora.
Bora bakomja. Bawa.
Ngora ngasisa.
Ibetha ngophaka. Batshayi.
Kusasa niyatshala ndoda.
Ndoda ivuka ngenyama nothi ngeseriyali.
Arishi la madoda.
Ngibikothini. Noba ngiyehla kubaleka boy.
What's happening eqongo? Yeah man.
And also la we lamjita ngibani? Cheese.
Yeah, uChizi le nditsho kuba inkosi uYinsa versus uChizi bro.
Sure.
Yeah. Like buke wayibona kahle le beef wena.
Ndibone uNantsika mina lo ngibani umfana?
Inkosi uYinsa.
Inkosi ngibone ngora mina.
Uzenza uclever Timbaza bazokubonisa kuyikaka ufuna ifeature.
Ndisa uNantsika.
uChizi. Like awukazibukeli.
Ezga cheese.
Bro. You are missing out a lot bro. You are missing out a lot bro.
Cheese.
Yeah bro. Both fire.
Fire.
Nigga speed.
Okay.
Yo, bro, like hip hop eqonga now. If ngena deep to yona. Ikhona something oyibona. You know, khona something oyibona. Yo bro. Niggas are spitting. Hey. Uthi nomakhulu wakho.
Makhulu.
Hey bro.
Ngompo faka umakhulu ke ngoku.
Bro, khona i-latest yakhe.
Ngompo odise omnye wafaka umakhulu.
USuyitsa.
Okay.
Faka umakhulu.
Yo, cheese mntana. Angeni ibomvu.
Uba uYinsa.
Ngeni.
Uba uYinsa.
Cheese ngeni ibomvu mina mntana. Yo. Ayi.
Also hey inika lawe inegama lemveli. Igama lelo igama lemveli.
Yakudala ndoda.
Hloniphekile le chemba.
Igama elikhulu, that's a big shoe to fill, Buddha.
Yeah, otherwise man, I think something NJ needed for hip hop, you know. Yeah, man, spice up la way. Spice up la way, you know. But they would throw or bangwa or then I don't say
uyakhumbula nangela xa sifumanise baba phofu kudala yadisa iyathanda udisa le mntwana Chanel iyathanda udisa iyathanda ufumana
SB
yadisa ne-SB le
bro kula EP khona something buke wayithetha pha ku episode 1 about like EP ka
SB
yeah
ingathi sabhekisa pha ndiyazi but
ethu ilendoza yona buke wayithi cheka K-Star effect bro
iboni
akho apho ngekoduma khona I'm telling you bro
K-Star
akho apho ngekoduma khona
kwa K-Star mntana uthena akasoza ziphendula into ze bakayirecord imamele
you know the funny part yale beef
effect mntana
like the funny part yale beef amachita alwela i-downloaded beats
yela
ayibo i-downloaded beats ayibo
yathanda throw ishot mntana
i-downloaded beats bro ijonga bro I wish bengafunda phofu like as a statement bazasibona here below ne yeah bazasibona here below yeah bro inika we effect uthuka uK-Star about i-downloaded beats like anyone angana i-downloaded beats
okay sure
umjito uthukela umjito nge-downloaded beats like here kasi we have Moza niggas don't want to buy beats ngoku bathukana nge-downloaded beats beats and tag purchase your beat
downloaded beat yafumaneka pha ku-YouTube
hela like akho ndawo ingenaduma bro akodwa le beef yona inarhisayo
akho nantsika akho nto wakhe wayiposta manje nantsika banomjito effect esithi banomjito K-Star kaba ifumene i-award khona le ndawo ifumene ngokuthasela loo nto uba mkhayisela ngale award wathini uthiwa posta lo weke
bro they will see kana put it there bazayifuna like wayibo
ingxaki le
malensiva lomncane
ingxaki le nantsika esingekayiqapheli i-downloaded beat brazam sanuziculela i-downloaded beat thengani i-beat
especially when you are expecting uba uzaba ne-hit wayikhupha njani hit ngebeat kametro metro akakwazi nokwazi bro
yabona kum xa uculela i-downloaded beat ifana nongathi uyadlala because laa nto izawuphelela apha leya
Uskoma, another thing when I'm real lenika u-effect iyaba marimbela dog
super nicknames zabo
you know
ayogama lami
Omela are, you know, can cycle mchitu effect, you know, inika I know, ikona something wake wa post inga to sebenza ni muza beats, you know.
Sure.
Umchita like ebe kuspot up.
Sure.
He was not using it downloaded beats. Like ukusifike njani kunqanaba loba uzodisana nomuntu about it downloaded beats.
Yo. Imaka kai nanzikele way. It was downloaded beats zitheni mntana
ithi inika on a statement I wish ngingasifunda you know
kame
this job yabo
yela elo gama lami ningalinge nindenzele loo nto
marambo
gama lami
jokes but ke
but brazam into ye-downloaded beats andiyicebisi mna lawe fumana umuntu owenza ibeat then ke wanenzela ibeat kwenzela uba nizokwazi ninantsika yabona eza downloaded beat xa nizipostayo
listen ne effect apha posted 18 July bro
sure
uthi kukho le ngu-K-Star nekuthiwa yinkwenkwezi iceba fans ba imani isibi beats zabantu gqiba icule ituwa ugqiba izenze ntswembu ngefeatures
sesithi sikabani kade ayizezika YouTube
Ithi yazi umbuzo wami nangoku samile kwezi local artist. To effect.
Sure.
How can you want a beef when you don't know what's at stake?
Don't they at stake?
Kester replied. Bro, mna naxesha lodlala ndijonge izinto coward.
Throw shots.
Bro, mna naxesha lodlala ndijonge izinto ezibig noba ndidisane nawe flight. Yo.
Effect ndana angeni.
Uflight ku effect.
Ngendibomvu.
Indenzekayo yitulele wena notshomi bakho. Andiyo le. Ithi andiyo le. Usunditheka kwinto zakho ndibusy gqithi mina.
Okay.
I don't use downloaded beats in my album. Lyrics beats made me some fire beats. Yamazi lyrics beats.
Ndiyamazi lyrics beat. Ndiyasekapha.
Yeah, I can to spana nayo.
Okay.
Mango.
Okay.
You know, I told you I wasn't gonna use him. Not sure what are you trying to do here, boy? Did you boy?
Boy.
Madoda.
No, look
man.
No, look boy. Yangendibomvu. Effect. Nanam kupidisi ngoku. Kupidisi ngoku. Ngendibomvu olukile oluka mntanami. Ngoku ka boy.
Nesengifuna kubanjwane.
Khona lento endihighlightileyo pha kula uthi andiyoleli. Okay, yabona umuntu xa ekhwelelelini mos. Sube siya phezulu.
Yeah.
So khona osezantsi, khona phezulu.
Yeah.
Khona into
Hello, umchita K-Star means. Yazi umchita since K-Star, I think since umchita ehambe in many stages, like for example ubeke wa performer like ema-daily umchita promoter there. So umchita see himself there unomchita ne. So that's why sithi akayoleli.
Oh, so nantsika lo usezantsi effect.
Boy, ango fly.
Kuthiwa boy.
Ithi ngufly.
Highlight la gama kuthiwa boy. Ibhuda yakhutshelwa umgidi.
Hey, shut the strong up.
Khutshelwa umgidi.
Strong up.
Kuthiwa boy. Ngelibomvu.
Otherwise, bro. Otherwise, bro.
Why did they say Brazil week and the beef with the coach beef?
No, doesn't go into details ngoku. Yeah.
Ndiyazithethayo.
Ngokubanjwane personal. Otherwise yona i-real concept yayo. Hayi. Downloaded beats. Hayi. But if siya kwi-quoted words.
Ndolelwayo.
Oh boy, oh flight. Kukato flight wena uyake.
But into ezilwelwayo lawe zinansikile. Ewe yona inantsika i-wiki this but into ezithethiweyo zezibangela
like
yabo
zibombastic
and ziyasicengisa uba inyoba ikhona into engapha ya because awunothi boy ejanile hayi
you know otherwise i-Brazil hip hop are trying to spice it up.
But
sneak a melody there, here and there, yeah. And for not shout out ngathi promoting doing stuff, but shout out for kwenza game umnandi. I would say, but Nikki credit there. Yeah, man. Otherwise, bro. Influential, kanye influencer, whatever. Baba influential. Like bro.
Speaking of inansika la way influencers.
Yes, sir.
Influencers. Ngabe angiboni manje that influencers because ngoku kule age khoyo ku-influence abantu abaculayo bazi influencers ne-rappers yabo khona umahluko phakathi kwazo yabo influencer ngiyabona mntanami ukwe dictionary nantsika la wena it not zayifunda ngokumntana
yes sir
influencer okay fine
I think by the way guys ongamanga apho kwi-feedbacks zenu something we go there sazifunda izicelo zenu abanye because kukho abantu abarequestile uba like they are not hip hop lovers so ngaske sithethe ngezinye izinto like such as imodelers sinxulumane nazo organizers kwi-topics zethu singathethi ngezinto ze-hip hop like guys we are coming there but King Willy Reacts it's based kwi-hip hop mostly yabo but ke asithi asuzifaka because of sijongile ne-influence movement yalapha eqonqa asimanga ndawoninye guys yabo so like cela nibekezele guys we gonna give here and then sifike apho sifuni yakhona otherwise shout out guys siyabulela nakhona ngosivezela amacaleni kuyo yonke le way loo nto izasikhuthaza uba to drop more episode after episode sizawuthi next week i-third sheet of this or edition third sheet of this edition
andifumele mntanami nathi
yeah okay
i-meaning ye-influencer la what influencer mntanami
what does it say
ngokwesilungu
what does it say
influencer is a person or a thing that influence another yabo phelela umuntu o-influencer abanye abantu
yes sir
let's say for example let's say mna ndiyenza TikTok ndithi
sesiba like
ndi famous then back TikTok xa ngifuna kwenzeke le nto ndiyifunayo mna ndiza pusha le agenda ndithi bafanele let's say ndithanda hip hop yabo ndithanda hip hop ndiza influencer nina ndinifake pha nimamele la hip hop
for example you know if it's not nge-influence like mostly if unoqaphela mostly yabantu they do le way kuthiwa yi-influence jonga abantu bazimodelers aba King we got uAkhanya Nkisto you know the nigga
sure ndiyambona
andifuna ukuthi worldwide so thini na
international la bra
international
because sesisuka napheshe
ile ndisho yabo for example umtshita China Zambia Mozambique like
Nigeria
yabo the nigga is influencing modelers but like they must see le ndlela ihambayo ba kwi-modeling kuhanjwa till you know like uyakhuthaza kuba i-influencer leyo yabo yeah man
and ke ngoku sibe ne-music ntoni i-music influencers
ngaki yabona apha ku-music sibaninzi apha like for example like I know
ukhona mjita kuthiwa ukhona le comedian malithi you could be an influencer and not influence a motherfucker
yeah man like I will say apha ku-music iphofu because mna bendizayibeka based eqonqa ne ba okay influencer yethu apha eqonqa ndingathi ngutata kuFlash ngokulela ku-episode 1 you know
kaloku ndanzama ukuthethelela le nto yoba usithi
nguye kodwa olentoza obig here eqonqa
bakhona nonantsika
like nguye bro owenza numbers here eqonqa umjiti
bakhona
nguye wenza numbers flakho eqonqa
bakhona
yanga chief ulapha yena ulapha Flash
no anathi ngwalapha
hayi bro ay kwezilale zapha
Uhlale built-in.
Nekulapho bra. Hayi bra umka nge-events la mjita.
Uhlala bongo.
Ulapho flash like apha. Ubakwendli.
Ubanazi.
Bra like uflash on a serious note uhlale lapha umjita.
But
Uyangwana bekonge bra. Ikomani.
Komani akusekonge.
Akusekonge.
But unansika anathi ngwalapha naye mos. Angwasefish.
You know.
Still.
Yeah.
Anathi
Ngoko flash. Bandike sesithetha ngomuntu ngoko. Oye. There's nothing nayo mjita, you know. Ikhona. Hey, one of the fans zakho umjita came kum.
Okay,
I think benazo screenshot se message yami.
Yeah.
Like,
But
bro, sanun better when I like sanun leqa or something can't tell. But the spirit facts about yena into nani enizibonayo. Bro, asinophelele emculweni umamela uvusela ilali all the time thina. Do events, bro. Be influencer.
But bakhona no bheki into abapushayo.
Olendo no bhenga lokho usejuzi bro.
Khona bike a remove nomculo wayo kwinansika kwezi social media. Yona
Ubhenga. Why?
Yarikwa. Bike a release nansika. Bike a release human bikupe umculo wayo kwezi social media ndondon. And then was strategy. The strategy is mntana so like be release engomiti iyizikhuphile bese kuyazisusa zona ku social media then ke xa izafaka konye umculo izaphinde ifake wonke guilty and yanoba strategy la ngenza kanjani but like
yeah
it is awuphinde ibuyise zonke zangoma bezikhona.
Also okay, I found the text yalo mjita, you know. They reply mjita ku episode 1. Yes. Uthi mjita yanya likake ngu PR. Pick up your socks ku flash imbali yona. Ndibonile. Izobethwa.
Akubetha lo mjita.
Izobethwa la.
Nini opinion kananzika le akasingayisithi opinion.
Like
Nansika ikababona ngalo mntana freedom of
divumelele ndingene.
Yabo.
Bantu bafumana incasa kulele nkeva. Upha inkeva. Phako wabe nkeva umjita. Yeah. Upha inkeva.
But ipura yakhusha mntamthethelela mna.
Salute to Flash man. Salute to Flash man.
Something man throw shots but
Raise ilali yakho bra. Peace out kwilali yakho bra.
Yeah, built in. Nalamajana yaphusha ba ababa.
Omo flavors
yaphusha ba.
Nitamuza kwindethi gqoko buyelele diza kule coffee yakho.
And
Yena phakla wena.
nani le drink la we.
The cough. Muza yazwithet. By the way guys, shout out to Inikazi for raising hip hop.
Yeah.
Noko nathi singene entweni. Salute to you Flash, like I respect you Nkuluwa wam but no. It's not it. By the way sidlule apho Nikazi ziyadropa.
Yeah.
Umculo omtsha.
Yo.
Ngoku sesifikelele kwelalike.
Loku. Reactor.
Damn.
She's a reactor.
Damn.
Yabo.
Damn.
She's a reactor.
Yeah.
Upra. Utopile. Sink. Upra waselita.
Ekuse.
Upra release inansika EP.
Okay.
It could have been better.
Engekungcono ke kanjani. Yazi ngcono ukuthi ubenoncela le ingredient efake kule coffee yakhe. In fact,
they play ingredient.
Kaze ke bro sithatha which track le.
Okay, sizothatha AP mna nami.
Hey wena nanti.
Yabona singathatha asinansike apha sikhethe apha kwezi track.
Yeah.
Sizawureacta ngo
Like now how many tracks le way yakho bra?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 That's kuyo. Hey, okay. Hey.
Nanzi bro.
Sizawureacta 19.
Yeah, 19.
Okay, 19.
But we're gonna take one song.
19 videos. Human, 19 songs. 19 songs.
Yeah, bro.
19 ngoma zika Brian.
Sure.
So our passes are okay. Tunzu out. Ngena grade. Other side.
Play shoe, change your shoe.
Okay.
Change your shoe at 2:30. Otherwise, Goku guys or reactor to sync
Yeah, no.
the track yake 80 other side featuring band.
Old school Pantsula and Chase Flake.
Okay.
That's it, you know. Okay, Masi.
Okay. Moment of silence.
I'll be on the other side, on the other side. I can't stay, no more can stay.
As if there's a vibe, man. Like, wow, pass out chile pago. Bambel. Yeah.
Osnika boma Tellerman vibes.
Yeah, chile. Pass out chile pago, man. Those cover house, my man. Yeah.
No more, I'll be on the other side, on the other.
Take a little cherry and yes, but I'll be on the other side. So you know, take a Ngazana. Sorry, Motingazana, Ningomangazan, Colin. You.
I can't stay, no more can stay, no more. I'll be on the other side, other side. I can't stay, no more can stay, no more.
Took a step and I made sure that I was ready to approach. Demons in my head telling me what to do like a coach. Still young, opted for abortion, necessary precautions.
Old school pants,
Choose man Kate. Features. At least this is funny the features.
Yeah, comment it down below.
Down below.
Had to watch her break down into pieces, painful emotion. Pick up the phone, I called her, ask her how she feel. It's been 3 years, the feeling and it's so unreal. We cannot take care of you, that's why we sent you to heaven. But if we had the means, you would be here turning 11. Told your mom that you will be a doctor. She said, nah, that motherfucker is a fashionist. Gucci and Prada. I was just a boy, I knew nothing about a father. I guess I should've fought harder. Yeah.
I'll be on the other side, on the other side. I can't stay, no more can stay, no more. I'll be on the other side, on the other side. I can't stay, no more can stay, no more. I'll be on the other side, other side. I can't stay, no more can stay, no more.
Xa sihleli endlini ngathi asinambono Khoxa sithetha wena awunguye noncoko Smoking on a cheese, yeah we did that shit We chill, suicide thoughts when we fighting over shit Bullet in my head if you see me with a bitch And I be sitting over there, am I the nigga that you miss? Let's get serious. What you on about? I mean, pull me where the envy is. Truth is, ain't nobody true when I rebuke it. A lie said about me like a sauce and pumelele. Now I'm pressing all the buttons and the sauce and the When life moves south, they're gulindu tutelelo. See, I told myself that and this ulinda and the
I'll be on the other side, on the other side. I can't stay.
Uzipholele uqomba. Yabona mama. Suke Spani. kanye suka kuloo ndawo suka kuyo mawushilele phapho mfake ingoma kanti xa uhleli ngazana aningomangazana xolweni brother batsheri xolweni mantombazana.
No more, can't stay no more. I'll be on the other side, on the other side. I can't stay no more, can't stay no more. I'll be on the other side, other side. I can't stay no more, can't stay no more.
I'll be on the other side. I'll be on the other side.
Shoot! Marimela kuwe! Marimela kuwe! Marimela ku Beyonce! Shout out to Sing, man. It's a lovely song, you know, classy one. Maleki, yoba imameli. Chakwendlebe for real. Chakwendlebe. Not about Chinese no petrol and stuff, you know.
Yeah.
Go on, remember.
God bet you try yazana ba le yazana ba
I don't know.
Okay. Mina ndaqala ibona kodwa ngona ngiqala ibona ndibona kula mthidi base. Ethanda kwenza la ukuthiwa i-or.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Let's go to our number.
Speaking of inansika la we. Ubase. No, ibase la we wenza khona into yenzayo.
Adropile.
Ikhona into yenzayo.
Adropile.
Chini lo mjita lona. Udropile la we. Udrope noni? Udrope uyambona umeje nonansika. Noqhasa. So igama labo badibanisa namagama wabo. Bathi banguqhasa ora. Then ngoku banguqhasa ora. Badibanisa amagama wabo banza nomculo. Bobabili.
Oyincasa.
Benza inqasa lamanje.
Uqhasa ora. Benze umculo.
Uqhasa ora noqhasa. Benza inqasa.
Okay.
Yabo.
So ke ngoku singena kulo tracking ngoku.
Yeah, but
title yayo
uthanda abantu. I think bakhe ba drop snippet man.
Yeah, I saw a snippet, you know.
Yeah.
I saw a
big trend about TikTok. Let's do.
Okay. Let's go. We're about to go. Is that?
I say, let's go. Yeah. There's ads. There's ads. The ads is the
Okay, yeah. I couldn't do rap good. Yolanda. Achin profashai. Shit profashai. Tandi banazamo kanyu jelasai. Tandu bass. Tandu Sean. Tandu Kayo Neo kanyu Tandu Tobs. You not really hurt cause I prophesy. Ex-Samian Tanda ida wasn't bad. Ex-Samian Funa ida wasn't live. Bitch, drop his gut, bitch. Wow. Bitch, drop his gut, bitch. Ha, are you really sure? Told I know my shop. But you really know about it, oh my gosh. 2016, there's a lonely now. There's a Chinatown, there's a show. They don't play with me.
Hey Bam. This is turn down. There's a show.
My car, 2016, there's a lonely now. There's a Chinatown, there's a show. They don't play with me, oh, there's the hope.
Yasis, uses umchita. Ndiyazi noma kwenzeka lona ba. Ngane, usayithe kanje kodwa kana.
Daughters never say Marimbeng. I'm showing you.
I'm friends with Usia, no Zendaya. Kangantandu ntombi sisahlale bhayi. Okay, X something meeting ngokunzima ubalisa. Oko ebebazi kunzima noba lead. Okay, sure, go. Ndithi kuwe come in, bendikuthanda every day ngokusuke wambi. Okay, baby try me.
Bendikuthanda every day ngokusuke wambi. Ningajongi ne-rappers.
It is.
Ngapapa na ngomso izulu lingaduma na ngomso lentshiswa lilanga kangingiselo.
Oh no, photos hitting my weight, limit flows though. Ain't no me, I know though. Never be me, I'm a bro dog.
Imali noba sizikhuthi awukwazi no-rapper uyabhimi ngathi uyakhuthi gama ndinguchris if wena uyandithanda busi.
Sindistrongo ndirongo njengobonyo mfayigaphi nyongo ndistrongo njayam ngiyazazi noba uchongo ibhazi ninzi ingathi zisele zetrongo
ngezulwini ligeza mina sibe ngathi umsezulwini oma vision high bitch ibeke emafini.
You can't believe I did it for real. I've been standing in for long, I'm taking one for the team. They be loving every song, I'm shooting stars, it's too real. I swear the feet were always cold, but now we reach for the dream. Yes, Lord.
Had a vision, then the post quack young. Pie is tough, la lunga young. As a story, it's a some melon pan. Game be tough, house like young. Pilang and press, Baba and crash and nalo neck crash. Bawa in there, Ulia Landela, Jose Copel. I'm done feel Palisha. Took a phone for my Polisha. Head the call for
La personas pan, bang it to no man, then I saw Caliban Candela. Prepare pizza crack.